Hi, welcome back with me 5 Top K. This time, I'll give you video about top 5 best built-in dishwashers on Amazon. Well, before go to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports this channel. Okay, let's go to the video. Number 1. Frigidaire 18-inch. Number 2. Empava 24-inch. Number 3. Keurig K-Cafe Single Serve. Number 4. BESWOOD 10 inches Premium Chromium. Number 5. Airmsen ATDQR03 Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Well, thanks for watching my video about top 5 best built-in dishwashers on Amazon. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports our channel. Also, you can turn on the bell for more updated videos. Well, see you in the next videos.